Alright, we're getting ready to go on a road trip and we are excited.
Go to New York.
So what about you, Elijah?
I'm excited to go. I think we're gonna go to Rapid City.
Rapid City.
In South Dakota?
Yeah. And so how you feeling this morning?
Pretty
Tired.
Pretty tired.
Yeah, I hear you.
Where are we at, buddy?
What?
Where are we at? Why are we getting out of the car? Well, we gotta go get our luggage. Why we gotta get our luggage?
Because we're going to the airport?
We are at the airport.
Oh, cool.
Is that better than a road trip? Yeah. Let's get our luggage.
I think we're gonna go to Florida and we're gonna go to a hotel and I'm gonna explore the hotel.
So you're getting pretty excited now? Yeah, that's good. Denver Airport. Gotta find some food.
Family tradition is McDonald's.
Yeah,
We
like
go to
the-
Denver Airport.
Yeah, like the McAllister family travel tradition. We have a grand family travel tradition. We always eat breakfast at McDonald's. Breakfast at McDonald's is amazing.
Alright, so our flight was delayed, which is a huge bummer because we're going to arrive at our destination about, I don't know, 4 hours, 6 hours later, something like that. Taking advantage of the time here while we wait for our next flight. Elijah's watching a vid. What are you watching, Elijah?
I'm watching Jurassic World.
Jurassic World. Brooke's catching some Z's. Everywhere in New York. We're actually heading through the Lincoln Tunnel right now.
I'm in the New York state of mind.
Okay, Elijah, we just got to where we're at and we just got checked into our motel right there, the Marriott Marquis. Are you ready to tell everybody where we're at?
Yeah.
Okay.
New York City.
That's right! Times Square, New York City! So exciting!
Yeah.
Alright. So we are outside of our hotel. It's a little after 12 a.m. There's our Marriott Marquis. Way up there. And right off of the Times Square. What do you think, Elijah? We're on Times Square.
This is cool.
This is cool?
So amazing.
Awesome. And right up there is where the wall comes down. Amazing. Alright, Elijah saw these red steps from up in our hotel and he thought these things were amazing, so he wanted to go look at them. So figured I would take a snapshot with the red steps, huh, buddy?
To be a part of it, New York, New York.
Cruising down Broadway, right next to Times Square. It's not even 8 o'clock yet.
Yeah.
Money never sleeps, pal.
Financial district. They're blocked off down there, so cars can't come this way. Pedestrians are locked. We're going to head over and see the 9/11 memorial. Across the street here. And then right above is the One World Trade Center. Awesome looking building. Alright, we're at the 9/11 memorial. And all the way around it is everybody's names. Side of that. Wow. They did a great job building this.
Elijah, awesome, huh? Isn't that amazing? It looks so cool.
We just stopped at our first street vendor called Adam Coffee House. Elijah got himself a donut. Brooke got a Danish. Elijah, you want to take a bite? Moment of truth. What do you think? Pretty good?
Yeah.
Nice. Alright, so our first hot dog vendor here on Battery, Greenwich. And Brooke and I each got hot dogs.
Okay, Eric's been so excited when we came to New York to stop at a hot dog vendor. We definitely don't have those in Wyoming. So, now it's truth time. See if it's any good.
Chili cheese dog. New York hot dog.
Pretty good, huh? Good.
We got some street performers here in New York City. The New York subway. After taking a train or subway down south into the Bronx, which we didn't know it was going to go that way, we got on another subway, came north into Manhattan, and we actually found Grand Central Station. We weren't even planning on coming here,
Yeah,
but we found it. It's great. This place is very nice. So, just like what you see in the movies, pretty awesome.
Grand Central Station. Exciting. This is so many movies.
Stick together, kids. Make sure you're holding the hand of the person in front and behind you.
Elijah, look at the roof. Awesome, huh? Look at it. It's huge.
We are on 5th Avenue. We got Michael Kors. We got Saks, 5th Avenue. Elijah, what do you think? Rockefeller Center. Sweet. And we have Rockefeller Center. How about them apples? Trump Tower.
I always call it massive. Sometimes they say huge. Not a bad one. Huge.
Here is the escalator. Trump came down. He was announcing he's running for president.
And I just noticed that Eric and Elijah are coming down the escalator.
With a baby in a hand.
I wonder if they have any big news to announce.
Trump Tower, the Trump Grill over there, and Trump ice cream. It's supposed to be rated pretty high, so I'm going to try this stuff out.
I have a feeling it's going to be beautiful.
Ding ding dong. Welcome to the Plaza Hotel.
Guests of the new celebrity Ding Dang Dong stay at the world-renowned Plaza Hotel, New York's most exciting hotel.
We want some pie, okay? We are hungry.
Okay, so we're back in our motel room. We did a lot of research. We wanted some authentic New York style pizza. I got on Google, looked through Google reviews, and #1 on Google, at least right now, is Joe's Pizza. And so rather than going to the restaurant, because we've been cruising around New York all day, put in 20,000 steps, we were like, let's go back to the hotel. Joe's Pizza, at least what was really popular with them, was this white pizza over here. It's cheese. It says there's not a tomato sauce. We'll see. And then we got a supreme and a pepperoni pizza. We're really, really excited. Authentic New York pizza. I think it's going to be awesome. It's delish.
In a world of pure imagination, take a look.
Okay, so we came to New York City. We heard Junior's Cheesecake's the best. We tried it and loved it. It was awesome. We went there, and Brooke and Elijah's favorite was cherry, and my favorite was the original and the brownie explosion, they call it, favorite one. So they're actually trying 2 other ones. They're going to try blueberry cheesecake, and they're going to try carrot cake cheesecake. And then, of course, I'm going to do the brownie and the original one again, because they actually had my favorite one. So.
Okay, Elijah. So we are leaving New York today.
Indeed.
What was your final impressions? What'd you have more fun doing? What'd you like best?
Well, I liked walking up the stairs at Statue of Liberty. That was definitely fun.
I
found a nose.
You found her nose?
I found a nose and a mouth.
Oh, that's so cool! That is her nose. That's cool. What do you think later on, when you look back on your trip to New York, you're gonna remember the most, or think about the most?
The big lights.
Yeah, all the Times Square lights. Okay.
New York City.
That's right, Times Square, New York City. Did you like how our hotel was on Times Square?
Yeah.
Yeah. Was there anything that ended up being cooler than you had anticipated it was going to be?
New York.
Just going to New York itself?
Yeah.
You thought it really wouldn't be very cool, but it ended up being pretty cool?
Yeah.
Yeah.
As well as Trump's face.
All right.
All right. We're in the Newark Airport, New Jersey. There is Manhattan over there. And we are leaving. Bye-bye, Manhattan. Bye-bye, Manhattan.
Bye-bye, Manhattan.
All right. Bye-bye now.
Hey guys, this is the end of the video. Make sure that you like and subscribe for more great content that is ready to come. Peace.